welcome back to our channel. So today we made these little miniature cleaning supplies. If you would like to see how we made them, then just keep watching. I have one of these extra large glue sticks and I'm just going to cut it down to the size I would like. After I did that, then I cut it in half. Next I'm going to draw the shape of the bottle onto the back, and I'm just going to make a very simple bottle shape. And then using an X-Acto knife, I'm going to cut that shape out. Then once you've cut your piece, you can place it over a tea light or a candle and just kind of gently let that melt it into the shape a little bit better, so it's not such a rough edge. The nozzle, I've just cut this picture out from an advertisement, and I'm going to place a piece of plastic over it. And then using my glue gun, I'm just going to place the glue just over the nozzle area. Once it's dry, then I can go ahead and just cut it out. Once your piece is cut out, it should look like this. And then I'm just going to attach it right to the top of my other piece. Little sponges, I've got some green felt, and I'm just going to cut 2 of them down to the size I'd like. Next I cut out a label from an advertisement and I glued it onto a piece of paper. I'm just going to wrap it around my little sponges and then just tape it at the back. To make the comet, again I've cut out a little label from some advertisement. Next I glued it onto a piece of green paper and I'm going to wrap it around a straw. I'm going to add some glue to the end. Cut off the excess. Then I'm going to add some more glue to the top. I'm going to place it down on a piece of silver foil. Once it's dry, I'm just going to cut around the foil. The paper towel, I've just got a piece of brown paper that I'm wrapping around a straw to make a tube. Then I've cut a strip of paper towel that is the same length, and then I'm just going to wrap that around there. Add a label with some tape. Finally, to make the basket, I've got a little barbecue sauce container from McDonald's, and I'm just going to cut it in half. Then I'm going to cut the rim off of the top here. I'm just going to cut one side in half. So now I have a little handle. And then you can glue that right onto the sides of your basket. And that's it, guys. There we have our little miniature cleaning supplies. I hope you had a lot of fun watching this video. If you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see us make, please put them in the comment box below. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and come back very soon for another miniature DIY. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye!